Okay, so I am going to show you how to create your Google site for your final portfolio. So start with, whoops, not that. Start with Moodle, and let me show you what page I'm on. Let me go back. So on Moodle, if you scroll down to the book in the first block, it's called Course Materials, so that book there, and you click on that, and then you scroll down and you see a link that says Template Link, and you're going to click on this link to go to the template for the religion portfolio. So you see it here, it's called Religion Portfolio, so you click on that and you'll see the red around it, so it's highlighted. Oh, and I forgot to tell you before we started this process, you do need to have an account with Google to make the Google site. So if you don't have a Gmail, you have to make one. If you're on Google, if you look up in the top right-hand corner, you can see this is my my Google account. And if you don't have one up there, it should probably say like create account or something like that.
It doesn't let you go on the website until you're signed in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So excellent. So if you don't have a Google account, you'll have to create one. And so you select this template, and you're going to give your site a name. So I'm going to call this one Michelle's Portfolio. And right here, this is the name of your site. You can change that later if you want to. Like I said, don't put your last name up there. You don't want, someone like trying to steal your identity or something. And then this will be the hyperlink. Some of you, this might turn red, and it might indicate that that name for a Google site is already taken. So you might have to change that these two don't have to match. You might have to change what it says in the site location box until you get one that's not taken. So for the theme, you can change this later. It has a set theme. If you want to change it, that's up to you. Don't worry about the more options till later. Then you'll type your funky code here. And then you hit the box to create. Did it work? Oh, didn't work. Let me try again. Create. Oh, my location is not available, so let me do another one. Oh, cool. You got it? Google Portfolio? Let's see if that works. Yes. Yes, of course. So let's see if this one worked. All right. So here's what your Google site's going to look like. You can change the colors and the fonts. Just keep something conservative. And you'll see all the instructions are here on the portfolio. Obviously, you'll delete these when you're finished, but I have created this template for you. So for those of you who aren't interested in learning how to make the website, you don't have to do that much. For those of you who want to play with things, learn more about how to work with a website, you can. Just try to keep the general outline the same though, so that it's easier for me to grade. So today we're not going to start editing this. We're going to do little steps, one step at a time, so that we don't fall behind in our coursework. But you have your Google site created, and we're going to return to this to work on it in class on another day. So that's now you have a website, and we'll keep working on this as we go. Now, if we go back, I'm going to go back to my sites. So here are my sites that I've created. So I have, this is my portfolio. This is the template I made for you. So say like you're done with this, you're done with religion and you don't want that portfolio on the internet anymore. You can delete these. So here you have like deleted sites. So you can delete it later on. So that's just for you to know.